Hello guys, today I want to share with you some useful phrases and words in Ewe. How to pronounce some useful words or phrases in Ewe. Let's get started. The first word that we're going to look at is how to say please in Ewe. How to say please. Please in Ewe means mede kuku. Please, mede kuku. Can you say that? Mede kuku. And if you want to say thank you, please thank you. Thank you in Ewe means akpe or akpe now. Akpe now. Akpe is thanks. Akpe now. Thank you. Can you repeat that? Akpe now. Thank you. And the next word that we're going to look at is how to say excuse me. Excuse me in Ewe is kafla. Kafla or taflache. Taflache. Yes, let's move forward. If you're still tuned, please remember to subscribe to my channel, like this video, share to bless someone. The next word that we're looking at is how to say yes. Yes. Like I ask you something, how to respond yes in Ewe. Yes in Ewe is yes, or or a. That's yes. How to say no. No in Ewe. No in Ewe is ow. Ow. No. Ow. Ow. And when I want to tell you to come in Ewe, it means va. Va. We say va. That means come. Come here. Va. Afisia. Vafisia. Come here. So when I want to say sorry, or I did something, I want to say oh sorry. Sorry in Ewe we say baba. Baba. And what if you want to tell someone hurry up or run? Run in Ewe is fudu. Fudu. And when you want to tell someone to hurry up, we say it as vandenu or wakaba. We have so many ways of saying one thing in every language as the way we have it in English too. So when I want to tell you to hurry up, I'll ask you vandenu or wakaba. That means do fast. Wakaba, make fast or do fast. And the last one that I want to share with you in this video, I'll be bringing many on your way, so please subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned that anytime that I upload it, you will be the first to watch it. The last one is have a nice day. Have a nice day. In Ewe we say nukekea nenyo now or nukekea neje eji now. Have a nice day. Nukekea nenyo now. Can you say that? Or is too learning? Nukekea nenyo now. Thank you.